one-to-one function. A function is called one-to-one if y1 is different from y2, you can conclude that x1 is different from x2. You have a nice test which helps you to identify one-to-one function. Any horizontal line has at most one intersection with the graph of the function, then that function represents a one-to-one function. Why it is important for us? Because any one-to-one function has an inverse, so you can define a new function. For example, y equals to cosine x. If you restrict the domain to 0 and pi, it's going to have an inverse. The inverse is represented by inverse cosine x or arc cosine x. The graph of cosine restricted to 0 and pi is represented here. This is just your cosine x between 0 and pi. However, if you try to graph the inverse, it needs to be symmetric with respect to the line y equals to x. This is the graph of inverse cosine.